Cat Snack Shack, fast food for famished felines.
It's a nice place you got here.
Oh, a little bijou perhaps, but I think of it as home. Now let's see what we've got here. Duck with pancakes now, duck with grapes. Here we are. Duck à l'orange.
Oh, what are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
I know, but what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll whip something up. A surprise.
My mother must have been thinking of someone different. She told me to beware of the cat.
Mothers, bless them. You know, they all seem to think it's part of their job description to stop people like us from having fun. Not my mother, though. She was different. You know what my mother used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws.
Tickles.
You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever shut indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chivvy a chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can eat it. So ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can mess with your meal before you munch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called luck. So tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything at all. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle the pond, step in the mud, take some backs in the shallows. Then maybe first time go sliding in the sun to the ocean, we find marshmallows. Or go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. You can play with your food before you nibble. You can jest with your joint before you slice. You can play with your food, but don't dribble. Oh, forget the best advice. You can play with your food before you gallop it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food and pulp it. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
We could go rushing, fast down the beach, find a kind of place where it's foggy. Then make a little camp, then a secret of a damn from me and my mate the monkey. And if the other ducklings want to come and join our games, they'll have to make a promise first to stop calling me names.
Oh, I'll help you to forget the way they scolded. Just as soon as I have got my napkin folded. Oh, so you want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? Chivvy a chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game. Tell me something, Ducky. Do you like oranges?
I don't know, I've never tried one.
Well, suck on this. It's the crazy little game called lunch.
What's that noise?
Salivating.
It's coming from outside.
Oh, the children from the farmhouse. Do they ever come to play with me? No. Do they ever ring around my Rosie? No. I suppose they don't even know they own a cat. Some people just should not own animals. And 8 out of 10 cats who expressed an opinion would agree with me.
What are people?
People. Bad news, that's what people are. Consider yourself lucky, Ducky, that I am going to spare you from ever having to encounter them.
Duck!
Yes, I know it's a duck.
Duck!
Yes, I know it's a ruddy duck.
Actually, I think I'm a mallard.